Alright guys, welcome back. Treetop Barbecue. We are going to be working on our smoker today, our budget DIY smoker over here. So let's flip this camera around and see what we got. We're going to kind of go over what we did so far and then I'll tell you what we're going to do today. So hold on guys. Alright guys, so last time we made our ring for our charcoal. We cut the barrel and made it to where the barrel slides down over the top of that bottom half so it locks together like that. It pulls off. Actually, it works really well. So we did that. We got this made up. And then something else. I'm forgetting something here. But anyways, if you want to see what all we did, go to the other video. So what we're going to do today, I think, is I got some more parts for this thing. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pause you guys. I'm going to bring you up close and you can kind of see where we're going with this. So give me a sec here. Hold on guys. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's our bottom. Sorry about that. Here's our bottom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill 3 holes in this bottom, around the bottom edge. One here in like a triangle type pattern. One here, one there, and one over here. And then I got a grate for the coals to set on, but first I'm going to take these 4 nuts, which these are probably about an inch, maybe 3/4, 3 7/8, something like that. I'm going to put these in the 4 corners. You'll see why in a sec. So we're basically going to have 4 nuts. This is going to be holding, and I'm going to tack weld those in there. That'll hold our grate up off the bottom. And then, after we do that, let's get this thing to move here. Hold on, guys. So then after we do that, let me grab the grate. I was able to find these grates at a local hardware store. So now that we got our little nuts in there, we're going to take this. That's going to set in there like that. Now that's going to keep our coals off the bottom. And it's also going to create an airflow path for these holes here. And also, this ring we made is going to sit on top of the grate like that. And the coals are going to go in there. We'll do, just a bunch of unlit charcoal, and usually like with the Weber, I'll make a hole in the center, and I'll dump about a half a chimney of lit coals in there. And what it'll do is it'll pull air from the outside in through here, in through these holes, and it'll slowly burn out until that charcoal is pretty much done burning. So basically what we're going to do, that's what we're going to do with that. And I'm going to put some feet on this bottom here. And then, so we got our top, which will go on like that. And we're going to put 2 grates in here. I'm going to put a grate probably 2 inches or so above where the coals are going to be. And that's going to hold a pan that's going to be like a diffuser type for the heat, so it's not coming straight up. Because the other grate, that's going to hold the meat, and that's going to go right in here just below this rib. So I got plenty of room on top right here for putting my meat in that. And then the lid, of course, will be on top of that. This doesn't have a domed lid, of course, so I won't be able to fit much if I don't go kind of far down with that grate. So anyway, that's just a quick overview. Another thing I did was I was able to find, whoop, damn it. Sorry about that, I got big feet. So I also found, this is the lid where the cap for the barrel top goes on. It turns out this 2-inch pipe nipple screws right into it. And it screws in perfect. It even tightens down. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to cut it off right here where the threads stop. And I'm going to put an adjustable flapper so I can adjust the amount of smoke and heat coming out the top of here. And I'm going to add a thermometer onto the base part of this barrel also. So that's just a quick rundown of what we're going to be doing. I should just leave that in there. So that's basically it. I am going to cut these tabs off. I already removed I was able to get the gasket off that said it was in here, so we're good there. I'm just going to have to cut these tabs off so I can get the lid on, easy on and off. Because they do kind of get hung up on the top of the barrel. So, what we'll do is I'll pause you. I'm going to get some stuff set up, and I think I'm going to drill the holes in the bottom of this bottom section. So, hold on a minute and we'll get set up for that. Alright guys, so we got I went ahead and drilled the holes. We got 3, I think there's 7/8 holes right here. 3 of them. Kind of in a triangle fashion. So now, I got some sheet metal here, and I want to try to figure out some kind of sliding damper to close them off. So, what I'll do, I'm going to remember where I put my tape measure. There it is. So those are right at, actually they're 1 inch. So we'll cut some over 2 inches. I want to bend a little thing on the end. So we'll go like 2.5 inches. We'll make 3 of them. And I'll just kind of try to figure out how I want to mount them. So let me go ahead and get my pencil again, wherever it is. There. 2.5 by, we'll go 1.5 inches. Actually, this is 1 3/4 right here. Let's go ahead and we'll just mark that out. So that's 2, 4, 6, 7. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do here. Let's see here. 2.5, it's 5. 7. 7, and we'll make them 7.5. We'll go right there. And just kind of, let's kind of cut that out of there. So, let me pause you guys. I'll cut this out. Hold on. All right, so we got our little things made up. 3 of them. Got a little 90 degrees up on top. What I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm just going to put probably maybe a sheet metal screw on each side to give it something to ride on until I figure something else out. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to dig around and find that. And then, well, first, I'm probably going to end up having to do is I'm probably going to have to mark them where I got to put them. So let's do that first. Just mark the side here. That'll give me an idea where to put the screw. Alright, so that gives me an idea right there, and then hopefully just be able to slide them up and down to get the desired airflow. So let me find some screws and a drill bit and some other stuff, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. As you can see, we got our temporary, until I figure out a different way to do it. But they all move pretty easy, kind of. The one thing I didn't do is I didn't shape the sheet metal, and these will come out too, but they stay somewhat. I'm gonna have to figure out a different way to do it probably, but for now, it'll work. I'm gonna play with the tension on the screws a little bit and different things. So, anyways, for now, I guess that's it. Probably the next episode or next video will be the getting those grates in there and cutting off that top piece of pipe over here so I can put the flap on it. I gotta get something to make a flap with. So, anyways, guys, hold on a sec. We'll flip you around. All right, guys, that's about it for this one. Kind of a quicker video. I don't have everything totally finished yet, so there's going to be one more video on the rest of this stuff. But that was just a quick little finishing up the bottom, basically, is what I wanted to do. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up. Definitely subscribe. And also, if you're into shooting sports and stuff like that, go check out Treetop Outdoors on YouTube. And it's also, there's a Facebook group, Treetop Outdoors, in all caps. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video. See you on part 3 of this smoker build. Thanks for watching.